Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad Ki Sangma mentagasi ke khandru trek ukala lengkot arjar apundriu ulia ba kelapa ya ke jingtho sha ulat ke jela ban khot ya ke jingshong dorbar jong ke yeng dorbar thawan ha ka ban sedang ha ke khandru trek urungpang bat kan kut ha ke arpnyo trek urungpang arjar apundriu kini kedai ke bak sarkar kelapa sha ulat ke jela bat mentai kedang ap ya ke jingunjur jong ulat ban khot ya ke jingshong dorbar ha kini ke dorbar mangtingka Padha kini ke dorbar ke wanrah ru ya ka kaiphot ke reservation policy. Ha bakran hakilat patahai kubor menteri Rangba ke Jelau luang mentah ke singi kilayakran halor ke kaiphot kabal ai da ke expert committee bat kilrai ban wanrah ya kini ke kaiphot ha kini ke sen syong dorbar kaban sedang ha ke khat riu trik rempang arajar arpundriu.
In terms of the informal item, we had a discussion on the aspect of the report on the reservation policy, and we have decided that the assembly session, which again is another news which I would like to inform all of you, that we have proposed to the governor that the assembly session be started from the mid of February, exact date about February 16th if I'm not wrong, I don't know the calendar, but February 16th, the Monday, and up to February 27th. So we have proposed to the governor. We are waiting for the governor, of course, to call the sitting of the assembly for the budget session. So once the governor approves and gives the orders, it will be formalized. But we have proposed, and based on that proposal, the cabinet has also decided that it is most appropriate that we will be placing the report of the committee during the budget session of 2026. So those